What is going on, y'all? Rolling Fishing here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, me and my buddies entered the Florida Fishing Rodeo, and we actually ended up placing in one of the categories. Not gonna talk for too long, but we did end up catching some really good fish. So y'all sit back and y'all enjoy the video. This don't feel like a king.
Well, we're catching bait right here.
It's gonna break me off if it's a king, I can tell you that. I got one on, guys. We're trying to catch bait, so I threw a free line. It's big. I threw a free line out behind the boat and it got smoked. What do you think it is? It didn't break me off yet. If he got perfectly hooked, but it's braid, he should. We don't got a leader on this, y'all, so we gotta be very careful. I'm kind of curious to know what it is. No, it ain't Spanish.
You got any color on him?
Yeah, it's a king.
It is a king? Dude, I hope it don't break me off.
Yeah.
Dang it, dude. When you get him in.
Is that what it is, a king?
Yeah. Heck yeah, guys. First fish of the day. King, perfectly hooked. That's a good start. Good job, guys.
Catch
Hey,
one.
man. Get him in the box.
There he is. Gonna get him in there. Keep trying to catch him. Dude.
Throw another one out.
No, I was surprised it didn't break me off.
No.
One tooth to this braid
Straight to
cut.
braid, huh? Yeah.
That's crazy.
No leader,
That's a good sign, though. We just caught this king with just straight braid. That was pretty impressive. Hooked him perfectly in the corner of the mouth. So we're gonna get another CIGAR MINNOW and see if we catch another one. All right, y'all, we got plenty of bait. We just stacked up on an absolute load of CIGAR MINNOWs. We're gonna start heading out. We're going about 40 miles a day. Try to knock our snapper category, go from there. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get the fishing. Start off with a little CIGAR MINNOW. Drop it down, see if we can hook into a big snapper. Go ahead and set them down. I already got smoked. They just hooked up right here. What you think it is? You feel like a snapper?
Feels like a snapper. He might be bigger than I thought he was.
I hope he's a big one.
It's coming on up now, whatever it is.
Oh, I see it. There's color right there, y'all. That's definitely gotta be it. Oh, you better reel it up. See it? There you go.
Nice.
Not a bad one to start off with. Good job, AJ.
Thanks, sir.
Get him, me.
Hey,
Get him off
I
box.
can't.
Nice.
Oh, my finger, dude.
Good, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Ethan is hooked up, man. Get him, bud.
Damn.
Working out of that water. Come on, man. Get
I got him up about 30 feet.
Good. See if we can
He
get
should.
him covered in a second.
It's big. It's big. I don't know how big, but y'all saw him at the beginning.
Oh, yeah.
My feet, I just burnt my finger trying to stop him going in the structure.
Got some color.
Sweet. Already?
Yep, he's right there.
Is it big?
Can't really tell. It looks big. It's a snapper.
It's gotta be a snapper.
It's a snap.
I wonder how big it is.
Oh, that's a good one.
Is it big?
Oh, man, good fish.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Don't get in the mouth. Get in the mouth. In the mouth.
There you go.
Yeah. Get him in. Get him in. Oh, let's go.
That's a good
That's a good one to start
Let's go,
off
buddy.
with. Let's go.
Woo!
Second snapper of the trip. Woo! Is a pretty decent one. That's a good way to start the tournament out. I can't tell you the weight, but I say that's a good way to start off.
Heck of a fish, man.
Yeah.
Hey.
My first snapper of the day is a absolute giant. Don't know what it weighs, but it's a good way to start off the snapper tournament.
Good fish.
Anyway, got them on the CIGAR MINNOW. Go ahead and put them in and keep continuing to fish. So y'all stay tuned. Oh, the chicken dolphin, right? You got them? Shrimp's hooked up on a mahi, I think.
Is a mahi?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's got a mahi on.
There he is.
Watch out, slam your way.
Oh.
Oh man, he's gorgeous.
Oh yeah. Here he comes.
I don't see no other.
Oh yeah.
Little beaut.
Little juvie dolphin. Hey.
Those things are so pretty. Hold him up.
There's the mahi, y'all. Shrimp just got on the free line. Dang, that snapper's huge. I am. Shrimp's hooked up right here, y'all.
Hooked up on.
If this thing gets smoked, you can. Oh, that's a good fish.
Oh yeah, now he knows.
Where's that gaff hook?
You don't need that motor out.
Is it that heavy?
Hey,
I think it's something that we're gonna need.
It's something we're gonna need to get in the box.
Yeah, something we're gonna need for the tournament. You confident with that thing?
This? Yeah.
Okay.
Now, when I gaffed,
I hope so.
that was the first time I ever gaffed anything, but yeah, I'm confident.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
can I ask you how much foot of line you think you got out?
There's something.
What is? It had a white in it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that? A?
straight down.
Let's see where. No, that was a.
No, that'd be it. It's either a K or a W. It's either a K or a W.
Dude, if it's a W,
I see it. It is.
it's a wahoo. It's
No, it's,
No,
is
that-
that bonita?
Blackfin.
Oh my God! Get that!
Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat, son. No, please.
Oh my
No
gosh!
way.
Please do not mess
Gap
this
him
up.
wherever you get a shot at.
all right.
There's no way. No, not the line.
Hang on, here.
Dude, oh my gosh. There's,
Hang on, he's still ain't done yet. Whenever you gaff, you're slamming in the
oh
boat.
my gosh, there's no way. There's no way right now. No. Here. Get that thing in the boat. Get him. Yeah, get him in the boat. Let's go! Let's go!
Dude, that was
Dude,
so many missed
no
gaffs. I
way.
didn't even talk about it. That's okay. I missed one too. Yeah, I missed twice, so we're just not gonna talk about it.
Oh my
black
gosh. Dude.
We have a tuna in that bowl.
Sushimi. Woo! Frank,
That
let's see.
is
Hold him
crazy,
up.
dude.
That's what I was trying to do right there.
Hold him up. Oh my gosh.
First blackfin tuna on the cobia.
Woo!
That's a good one.
That is a good one, dude.
Huge, yeah.
That is awesome. Good job.
Hell yeah.
Dude.
Heck yeah.
That's a nice one.
That was crazy though. As I'm hooking up a CIGAR MINNOW, we got tuna schooling up behind the boat.
You know you jig?
Yeah. Way up there.
There he goes. Already?
Hey, Trent.
Alright guys, tuna are schooling up behind the boat right here. We're gonna try to, is he on it?
Running?
It's a good one? That looks like a big one, dude.
Oh my.
Oh!
You cut it? Oh man.
Hey, look, it's full, dude. Okay, it's slowing down a little bit.
There you go.
Yeah.
Woo! Hold it and I'll put a bit on.
Come on, baby. Come on. Dude. I hooked up on a fish right here. Hopefully it's a tuna. I don't know how big it is. He started screaming at the beginning.
There you go.
Come on, baby.
Reward that pat food rip and gator.
Come on, buddy.
Come on.
You made him up.
Yeah, this reel's about to fall off.
How you feeling right now?
Pretty nervous. He's at the top. He's at the top.
You have a float?
He's going back that way.
Alright, work him down.
Hey,
Oh, no. What is that?
big old king.
Is that's a
Oh my gosh. No way.
Get him in.
What is that?
King.
That's
Oh my gosh.
him in
Dude,
the boat.
please get him. No. Oh, get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Oh.
Give me some drag. Give me some drag.
Get him. Dude, that is a monster. Dude, how big is that?
That's a 40, 50 pounder.
Let's go!
Dude, oh my gosh.
How you feel about that?
Bro, that's the biggest king of my life.
Oh my goodness.
That's the biggest king of my life.
I thought it was a just another tuna. Well, I
That
didn't,
would have been huge.
I didn't.
All right, y'all. I'm not gonna hold him up, but as you can see, we just caught a monster king. We're already hooked up behind us, so we'll get him in the cooler, and y'all stay tuned.
Get him, Trent.
Trent just got hooked up, y'all. He's hooked up, and I think a king. Get him.
Alright, go to the back.
It's a good one, dude.
Yeah, it's king.
Oh yeah. Color.
Oh, that's a good one. There he is, right there, y'all. Go.
I think he's right.
I'll keep you right on.
Go around the motor. Watch out, wet.
Worried about the fish, not the rod.
Oh! Daggone. Oh yeah, get him. Let's go! That's a good one too. Heck yeah, that's still a good one
Oh,
though.
yeah, that's still good.
Heck yeah. Dropping down the old CIGAR MINNOW on the electric reel, going down about 180. They're in between 200 and 170, so let's see what happens over here. Oh, it's big. It's big. Oh, it's big, dude. He's not even. Oh.
He can hooked up on the electric reel.
Dude, it's good. Oh, God.
Is it big?
Dude, I wonder if I should loosen the drag a little bit. Huh? I don't know. 170? Oh yeah, he's still there. Woo!
He's right here. Crank. I don't see him yet.
Is it big?
Get him up.
That's a group. No, that's amberjack.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
it is an AJ.
Can't even keep
Big old
him.
AJ.
Here, give me the D hooker. Give me the D hooker.
Just caught this amberjack right here, y'all. Not a monster, but it was a pretty fun fight.
Them AJs.
From AJ's, man.
There he is right there.
Amberjacks are out of season right now, so we gotta let him go.
Yeah, amberjacks are out, so I'm gonna let him go, y'all. Yeah. There he goes. Am I frayed up or what?
Nope, you're clean.
Sweet.
Get back down there. On the electric reel.
Yeah, don't. Yeah. If you do that, let off.
Hey, keep an eye on that.
All right, now.
over there.
There you go. When that rod tip goes super down, like digging like that, let off. Then go. Now keep going. Oh, now let off.
Drag.
But it's, I don't know, like 200.
It's a big
Oh
piece.
gosh.
I got color.
White. Is it white?
White.
All right, real.
Real.
This color right there. Is that?
That's a
That's a snapper. It's a snapper.
Anywhere.
Just get. Oh my gosh. Hey, no, just easy. He's gassed. He's gassed. Let's go. Is it bigger than mine?
No.
No,
No.
probably a little bit smaller. That's still a good one.
Yeah, it's still a good one though. Good job,
Still
Shane.
good eating.
All right, so that last snapper we hooked at 175. I got it around that same area, and hopefully we'll hook up on another one. It was pretty quick, so we'll see what happens. Trent's hooked up too. What do you think this is? Is this AJ? That's an AJ.
I'm gaffing him.
That's got to be an AJ.
Bring him up. About to kill it.
I hope it's something we can enter the tournament. That's all I care. I know it's an AJ though. It's gotta be an AJ.
Seeing him.
Oh yeah, I see color. There's color right down there.
Right here.
It's an AJ. I thought I saw red for a minute. Trent just caught this AJ on the electric reel. They're not in season, so we gotta get rid of them. There, you got it? Yeah, alright, there it goes, guys.
Y'all want to stay here or try for a beeline? Down around 180.
There he is. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty tight. Now you're gonna have to force it up.
There you go. Get him up, Whit.
You don't need this?
No.
Okay. Get him wet, get him wet. Oh yeah, get him wet. You already tired? Oh. I see color.
I got broke off. Get some ice on that back. Whit's hooked up on the. Where are you jigging?
Yeah, he's jigging.
Was it AJ? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Man.
Oh yeah.
You got him with all the hooks, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, he wasn't going nowhere. Alright, you wanna hold him up? Alright, you can just throw him back. Good job. What? There he goes. Sweet.
I'll drop that right here.
Trent just got bowed up over here. Seems like a pretty decent fish. Hope so. I hope it's a big beeline.
Oh, good God.
What is it?
Grab the fish. Grab the fish.
Oh God.
Grab it. Get in the boat.
Oh my gosh. That is what I'm talking about. That is a stud
A white
snapper, dude.
Let me get a video of that.
Oh my God.
Good job, dude. That is
Yeah,
crazy
boy.
right there.
With this
That's
rod.
awesome.
Right there.
As you can see, guys, Trent caught a stud white snapper at the end of that video. It actually ended up being a little over 3 pounds, and it actually qualified for second place. First place white snapper was actually a little over 5 pounds, which I thought was pretty insane. It's pretty incredible. But overall, we had a lot of fun this weekend. We caught a lot more fish that I could have put in the video, but that would have made the video a lot longer. I just wanted to keep the video short and sweet. Anyway, if y'all enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And I appreciate you for watching.